Hey, it's Steve, and welcome to another frozen food review. Today we're reviewing Marie Callender's turkey pot pie, baby. It is chicken pot pie. My bad. Chicken pot pie. Anyway, it actually cooks up really nice, you guys. Gonna keep it on the tin, the microwave tin, for a while. Yeah. See this chicken here? It's not bad. I like to shade in chicken. It's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Mm 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 mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Wow, guys. This is gonna be a 10, guys. This is gonna be a 10. Yeah. Because this turkey pot pie, guys. Marie Callender, you guys hit it out of the park this month with this frozen chicken pot pie. Wow. You guys fucking killed it. I mean, come on now. The white chicken, the gravy, the peas. Jeez, I could go on and on and on. You know, my only advice to you is let it cool off a little bit so you don't get burned. Mm-hmm. Wow. So good. So classic. Marie Callender's 10 of 10. Chicken pot pie. So good. So delicious. Till next time. Bye.